Welcome back to another episode of Tier List. We will make a tier list of shonen animes. I love watching animes. I've been watching anime since 2018. So let's get started. Firstly, there is Attack on Titan. Of course, so shonen animes, Attack on Titan is S tier, of course. It's a strong anime with a strong world and have a unique style of drawing, and the story is really good and immersion. The world there is really perfect. Secondly, there is Black Clover. Black Clover is really good as well, but there is some bad episodes and fillers, and so for that I'll give it an A. But he is really good. Then we have Bleach. Bleach is really good. Is a really good anime. Have more than 300 episodes. I'll give it an an A as well. Exorcist was not bad, but not at these levels. So I'll give it a C tier. Boruto, no, it have some good episodes, but so little, so many fillers, bad episodes, no story. I'll give it butt cheeks, not good. Dragon Ball Super is really good, but it's not a tier. It's an A tier, like Bleach and Black Clover. Dragon Ball Z as well A tier, but it was better than Dragon Ball Super. This Note, I think this Note is an S tier. It's a really good anime. Everyone should watch, as well as Attack on Titan. Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. It's a good anime, and it can be top A tier, but not S tier. So I'll give it here. Fairy Tail, really good story, really good telling. So of course it will be an A tier. After Black Clover, Gintama. Gintama is actually one of the best animes you will ever watch in your life. So for that I will give it an S tier. It have all of the above. It's have variety uh, of options, and it can have Dragon Ball on it, and Fullmetal Alchemist and Attack on Titan. So for that I will give it an S tier because of its comedy and drama. It's perfect. Then we have Haikyuu. Haikyuu is really good, and it's really good sports anime. So I'll give it a B tier. Not as that, but it's really good and fun and small. It's like 12. Every season have 12 episodes, so I'll give it a B tier. Hunter x Hunter. Hunter x Hunter is a really good anime, so for that I will give it an S tier for sure. Actually, Hajime no Ippo, really good fighting, really good hosts. So for that I'll give it an A tier, and its drama is very good actually. Then Jojo. Jojo, this season 6, I think. So I will give it high B tier. But it's not better than that. This is perfect. Casual, I never saw it, so I'll give it a B tier as well. But I think it's good actually. I felt that. Kuroko no Basketto. Kuroko no Basketto, I'll give it B tier as well with Haikyuu. Haikyuu is better, but Kuroko no Basket have its own special world and his powers and superpowers is really good. My Hero Academy. My Hero Academy, I give it season 1 and 2 and 3 was really perfect and then began to slow down. But I'll give it like a 8 tier, it deserve it. ممكن here actually better than Hajime no Ippo. Then we have Naruto. Naruto of course it will be a S tier, that's a shonen and we'll have I think it will be here actually. Naruto and Attack on Titan is the best. Nanatsu no Taizai. It's a B tier. I think it's a B tier. Maybe an A tier as well, but that is okay. I will put it as B tier for now. And this is Aj Aj Noragami. Noragami, I'll give it a C tier. I didn't like it that much. One Piece. One Piece, of course, is a shonen anime, and it has more than 1,000 episodes, and it's going up and up. So and it's really good and have storytelling, have hosts, have everything. So for that, I'll give it an S tier. Then we have One Punch Man. One Punch Man is a really good anime. Have his hosts, have his own character that have its whole business. So for that, I will give it like here an A or here. It's an A tier and high A tier actually, but not S tier. I didn't watch this anime, so I'll give it a B tier. Naruto Shippuden, actually really good. Actually, I'll give it with Naruto as well, S tier. Soul Eater, I didn't watch it. I heard that is really good, but I didn't give it a chance. The Netherlands, it's really good actually, and the season one was perfect. Then it began to slow down, and the character and animation were bad. So for that, I gave it for season 1 and 2. I give it a B tier. If only one, I'll give it a good A tier. But now it's a B tier. And finally, we have Yu Yu Hakusho. Yu Yu Hakusho is a good anime. It's really old, but actually good. So for that, I'll give it a high B tier. Not A tier, but a really high A tier. So that's it for today. S tier, that is enemies A tier. And if you have any question or any advice to rearrange it, type it in comments and I'll see it and see if I'm agreeing or not. Bye.